Alright guys, so I am in my hotel room and they have already given us the units, the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e, but your lucky girl has got the S10 Plus. So the body of the phone actually is a glass finish, so at the back and at the front there's glass all over it. The front has Gorilla Glass, so for extra protection, and the back has glass because of the wireless charging that they have made the phone be able to do. The screen is what the Samsung actually calls the Infinity O display, so it's a dynamic AMOLED. They call it the Infinity O display because of the cutout. So they ditched the notch and they innovated and they made it a cutout into the screen, so that's actually pretty cool. So the phone actually runs already on Android 9 Pie. There's 12 gigs of RAM, 128 internal storage. There's also the offer for 1 terabyte. So the screen has a 19:9 ratio, which entails for a 90% screen to body ratio, which is great for all of you guys who like watching videos and films on your phones because you have a large screen to watch it on. Of course, there's a fingerprint scanner on this phone. Where, you ask? It's already on the screen on the phone, so I'm going to try and lock this phone. Then I'm going to unlock it again. Let's try it. Boom. So this is what they call the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. So it's on the S10 and the S10 Plus. The S10e does not have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which they said that they have their fingerprint scanner on the side of the phone, much like the A7. Alright, so on the S10 models, actually, they feature an Infinity O display, which basically means that the screen has a cutout on the upper right side of it for the front-facing camera. So on the S10 and the S10e, there's only one camera at the front, but for the S10 Plus, there's 2 cameras in the front. One for the normal picture-taking lens, and the other for depth perception. So in the Philippines, there will be 3 models that will be released: the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e. The main difference between the S10e and the S10 Plus is that the S10 and S10 Plus have the ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, which is on the screen of the phone. With the S10e, the fingerprint scanner is on the side. So moving on to the rear cameras, the S10 and the S10 Plus actually has 3 cameras on the back. So the main difference again between the S10, the S10 Plus, and the S10e is that the S10e only has a dual camera setup. Pre-ordering will start on February 22nd up until March 3rd, and the phone will actually be released on March 8th. We will be announcing all of the prices on all of our social medias on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter at TechKuya. And leave a comment down below if you like this video. We'll see you guys next time.